It's really fantastic stuff, and I think a great, Connecticut success story. And I know you've been involved. You've been a big promoter of your organization. If you go online, anyone does a little bit of research. You've been down to D.C. You're involved in going overseas and doing trade missions and all that. You've been very, very active in the Connecticut business community. I think it's really impressive and a good testament. We talked earlier about the importance of being part of that.
Well, I'd like to say something about that.
Sure.
I think we've been lucky because we've been good to some people who are influential. But I got to tell you, winning the export award, going down to D.C., sitting in on Macron's address, there could have been any of 200 different companies. There is a phenomenal number of companies in this state that do the right thing.
Mm-hmm.
And they probably haven't been as successful as we are telling their story, but there's a lot of people. I like to joke with people, older people. I said, someone watches Dallas, the old show Dallas, and they'd come to me and think that's the way business is run. and I said, you guys haven't a clue. You can go to, there could be 15 companies in Meriden, and you can go to them, and they'd tell you the same story I'm telling you. And they do the right thing. They support community nonprofits. They support, all these organizations. They do it quietly, and you wouldn't know about them.
Yep.
But we just happen to get a lot of the publicity, but it could be any one of them.